The International Space Station orbits 400 kilometers above Earth. A stickman astronaut is holding a bowling ball. And let's go. First problem. The ball doesn't fall. It just floats next to the station. In orbit, everything is in constant free fall. The ball, too. The ISS travels at 28,000 kilometers per hour. The ball does too. They move together. Nothing happens. To make the ball fall, you need to slow it down. Remove the orbital velocity. The stickman fires a small thruster at the ball. It slows down. Orbit changes. The ball is now on a collision course with Earth, 400 kilometers to the surface. The ball starts falling. Timer starts. The first 200 kilometers almost vacuum. The ball feels no resistance, still accelerating. Speed reaches 8 kilometers per second. Air in front of the ball starts compressing. Compressed air heats to thousands of degrees. Plasma forms around the ball. The bowling ball now looks like a meteor. The ball surface starts ablating. Outer layers burning off. Ball getting smaller. Core still intact. Still falling. A bowling ball is polyester on the outside and a dense core inside. Shell burns. Core holds. From Earth, this looks like a bright shooting star. People make wishes. Stickman on the ground makes a wish. Has no idea what is actually coming. Keeps drinking coffee. 80 kilometers altitude. Atmosphere getting denser. Deceleration sharp. Temperature at maximum. Ball glowing white hot. Most of the kinetic energy converts to heat. Ball significantly smaller but still falling. Terminal velocity reached. Around 200 kilometers per hour. Plasma gone. Just a very hot ball. Surface temperature like several hundred degrees. The ball survived. Do not touch. Ball started at 18 centimeters diameter. After re-entry, I roughly half that. Burned, scarred, but still a bowling ball. Final approach. 200 kilometers per hour. Ground coming up fast. Impact. Small crater. Stickman nearby jumps. Coffee spilled. Stickman approaches the crater, sees burned remains of a bowling ball. Picks it up. Still warm. Very confused. Can you still bowl with it? Burned, misshapen ball rolls toward the pins. Goes sideways, misses everything. Gutter ball. Even a ball from space can't always get a strike. What if we dropped something heavier? A cannonball from the ISS. Iron is denser, less burns off. More mass reaches the ground. Much bigger crater. Stickman running. What about a feather from the ISS? Vaporizes in the upper atmosphere instantly. Nothing reaches the ground. Not even ash. The denser and heavier the object, the more survives re-entry. Real meteorites do this every day. Most burn up. Some reach the ground. Earth gets hit by thousands of small objects daily. Stickman astronaut watches the ball fall, then looks at other bowling balls in storage. Dangerous thought forming. Mission control on the radio. Everything okay up there? The astronaut slowly moves the bowling balls away from the airlock, whistling innocently. Mission control is suspicious.